Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Sauerkraut. Probably flying. I wish I could like fly individually, like take off. No, I don't. I just want to be able to be somewhere as fast as possible and not take a plane. So I'd rather be able to just fly like a bird myself. My PS5. I fix iPhone screens, but I'm retired, so don't ask me to fix them. 2, 1. I'm tripping. 1. Excited for the season. Look forward to going out there and putting on a show. So be ready for some wins this year.